Hey guys, welcome to another video from Bexico180, and I'm just doing a giveaway for 42 subscribers, so thank you very much. So yeah, let's get started, and just gonna make this bigger so you can see the jamgram. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, let's get started. So yeah, let's do. Just accept this guy because he's so. I'll ask if she wants to come to my house. Yeah? Alright. Just a program I want to watch. Someone. I just pick anyone. No, I'm not deleting. That's just her storage count, so I might as well just delete it. I have that buddy. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this quick so I can go watch that program that I want to watch. Okay, yeah. Okay. Puppy Police 911. That is enough name, I love that. Cactus, thank you. Oh my gosh. I've got so much stuff. Sorry about this guys, should have really deleted some stuff before this video. Great. Now like things aren't showing up. Oh my gosh. Okay, just I might just delete that so I can just go to the thing. Okay, so cactus. Sorry this is so slow. Oh my god. I can't feel my feet. And I'm starting off with precision. Table with orb. This, but thanks. It's just I've got like so much stuff in my inventory. I'll keep that in. I've got one of those, so I might need that soon. I'm not gonna delete them because if I need gems, I could maybe delete them. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep that. Thanks. Ooh. Animal gem. They aren't all from this guy, but oh no, I've opened that door. Major rocks. That's true. Yeah, and it's Animal Jam's birthday today. That was weird. Yeah, we were just having a conversation. Snake habitat, but obviously can't accept it because it's like weird. Oh yeah, she scammed. Thanks. I like horned thingy images. I cannot feel my feet. I'm getting pins and needles now. Oh my god. And it's tickling me. Oh my god. Okay, I haven't opened this one, like I haven't handled it. Alright, lol, glitch 2, lol. Oh, it's a glitch. Oh my god, yeah, because like it hasn't got that red thing. Okay, now I need to send something back. Okay, now we've got cramped. And I haven't. Oh, it's really tickling me. We got that in adventure, I don't know what it's actually doing. others from like other people. Where is it? Here it is. Pink silver. I won't exactly need that, but thank you. Oh yeah, I had to open that, so you told me to open that with one. You can buy that, but thanks. What's that pink? It's my birthday. Square blessed. Ooh, yeah, I'll keep them. So sell them if they are in stock. I sent all the others back, like the other people. I've got lots of buddy requests, everyone wants to be my friend. I don't think I've gotten more. Oh my god, this is how was your spell voice again? This awkward position is making me like weird, so can I just have a lie down? Yeah, I'll have to, I think I have to go. I want to see those next. Oh, now I can. Bessie, oh Bessie. Bessie, oh Bessie. Oh my god. What time is it? Oh! They definitely are glitched. I don't know how, but I can tell. I've tried my. Oh my gosh, I have this one. No, I haven't. Wait, have I? Oh my god, I don't know. Oh my. Oh yeah, I have. Oh well. Yeah, I think. Okay, show them what. Show them. Oh, like this? Yeah, best buddy ever, literally. I wouldn't try that, like, because a buddy's request is probably full. But yeah, one of the. Oh, what? Oh, never mind. Yes. You farted? Okay, bye guys, subscribe, like, and comment. Subscribe.